You need a Facebook page and not a professional mode for your business if you are here on Facebook for your business or as a content creator. Don't get it twisted, there are differences between a professional mode and a Facebook page. For your professional mode, you cannot run ads there. You cannot add somebody to be in the professional mode while you are still there. But for your Facebook page, you can add somebody to be on the page, giving the person any level of access to the page while you are still on the page without the person having access to your Facebook account. And you can run ads for your let's say you are selling something, or even for engagements. There are different kind of ads for engagements, for leads, for sales on your website, or sales of your products and your services. You can do that on Facebook page. All those features are available on the Facebook page, but they are not here on the professional mode. It might actually sound like a bad news for those that have many followers already on the professional mode. Your advantage, because you have an audience. Our advice: you get a Facebook page even if you have a professional mode, because that might actually just represent your page, but it's not actually a Facebook page. Get a page and try to convert your audience there to your Facebook page, and you can run ads and do many things there on Facebook page. Thank you. If you have any question, you can drop